Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I am here with another unboxing, or would this be an unbagging? This is an Amazon Prime subscribe and save item, I'm sure. It says it's from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, hit the notification bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. This is a sugar-free gum from, oh, you can smell it. Airheads gum. This is watermelon flavor. So I like Airheads, but they do not like my teeth. I'm not sponsored by Airheads, so I'm sure they don't like me saying that. You can tell. But I have found that this is a sugar-free version of having Airheads. There's 2 carbs a slice, no sugar, 2 grams of sugar, alcohol, 5 calories a slice, 168 servings in here. I fast a lot, and I find that keeping my appetite at bay is chewing gum, and chewing sugar-free gum works for me. And I do that at work all the time. And this is, I like changing flavors up, and watermelon from Airheads is pretty delicious. Do you have a suggestion for something else you want me to try? Another sugar-free gum? Please leave a comment below. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can get cool t-shirts at a discount at riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice and use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. You're going to save a couple bucks off each and every shirt, and I get a couple bucks in credit, so it works out that way. Thanks so much for watching my video, and let me know what you think of Airheads Watermelon. Have a good day.